Welcome to Roshan Academy, Learn and Succeed. Today I am going to explain question number 3 on Prakriti Pratyaya of your Sanskrit sample paper CBSE 2020-21. Here you have to answer 4 questions and you will be getting 4 marks. Each one carries 1 mark. And here there is no option for the questions. You have to answer the 4 questions. Fully you have to answer. Now, let's start with question number 1. The underlined word in the question is Chakshushmantaha. The meaning of the word Chakshushmantaha is Dirghagrahi. Dirghagrahi. In all the 3 options, you can see Matu Pratyaya, but how you will choose the right option? Find out the Mool Shabda of Chakshushmantaha. The Mool Shabda is Chakshush. Here, we should understand the Mool Shabda and along with it you add Matu Pratyaya and get the right option. In Matu Pratyaya, Mat Man Mati or Vat Van Vati. Likewise, it comes. So, here I told you Chakshush, that is the Mool Shabda, along with Matu Pratyaya will become Chakshushmantaha. So, Chakshush plus Matu is the right option. When we go to the second question, Vijitra Devagatihi. Vijitra plus tap, Vijitra plus neep, Vijitra plus twa. These are the options. First option, Vijitra plus tap. Vijitra, in the underlined word Vijitra, Dirgha, is coming. Actually, in tap pratyaya, it is like that. Is coming in the last part. So, which is the correct option? Vijitra plus tap is the right option. And in the third question, Tasya Bharya Buddhi plus Matu. Putradvayopeta Pitrugruham Prati Chalita. The underlined word here is Buddhi plus Matup. Buddhi plus Matup. Last part of Buddhi, E is coming. So usually it will become Mat Man Mati. But which one we have to choose? That is the question here. Buddhiman, Buddhimati, Buddhimat. These are the options given here. Okay. So to understand that, we have to understand the meaning of the statement given. In the statement, the clue lies in the word bharya, that is in Strilinga. So, in the option, which one is in Strilinga? Buddhimati. So, that is the right option here. Buddhimati. And in the fourth question, the underlined word is Mahat plus Tua. In Tua Pratyaya, the word will become Tuam. So in the fourth question, that is very easy. So in the last 2 options, you can see Tuam. But see the difference in these 2 words. In the middle option, only one T is coming, Mahattuam. Mahattuam. And in the last option, you can see T's are coming 2 times. So Mahat, one T is there, Mahat, and the second T is in Tua. So in the answer, there should be 2 T's. So choose the option in which 2 times T is coming. So the last option is the right one, Mahattuam. You have to stress that Tuam. Double T is coming. Okay. Children, today I am going to give you some homework on Prakriti Pratyaya and the answers will be displayed in the next series. Okay. So subscribe, like and share. Thank you.